Lutron Caseta Wireless Smart Light Dimmer Switch controlling lights, shades, and temperature from a mobile device has never been easier or more reliable. The Lutron Smart Bridge allows for the setup, control, and monitoring of Casita Wireless dimmers and Serena Remote Controlled Shades from a smartphone, tablet, and even your Apple Watch TM wearable. The Lutron Smart Bridge also works with select Honeywell thermostats, Logitech Harmony remotes, Apple HomeKit, and Affinity Comcast. Schedule lights to adjust automatically based on the time of day, or create your favorite scenes that adjust multiple lights and shades with the press of a button. Enable geofencing to automatically turn your lights on, off when you leave or approach home, or to notify you that you left your lights on. All compatible products sold separately. Starter kit includes 1. Casita Wireless Smart Bridge, 2. Casita Wireless In-Wall dimmers, 2. Pico Remote Controls, 2. Single tabletop pedestals, and 2. 1 gang Claro wall plates. Pico Remote Controls take 1. CR2032 battery, included in remotes. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Peace of mind. Set lights to automatically adjust with changing seasons so your family always comes back to a well-lit home. You can also enable the Smart Away feature to randomly turn your lights on and off to look like you're home even if you're away. Number 2. Most connected. Casita connects with more leading smart home devices, including Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, Ring, Serena Shades, and Sonos, than any other smart lighting control brand. Number 3. Control your way. Casita puts the smarts in the switch so you can control a variety of ways, via the free Lutron app, your voice, or from the wall. Create personalized schedules to change lights at set times or activate scenes with the touch of a button. Number 4. Reliably smart. The Smart Bridge doesn't use Wi-Fi, so you get super fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that works right, without slowing your Wi-Fi down with more devices. Number 5. Set it and forget it. Always keep your smart light functionality. Even when the Wi-Fi goes down, there's no need to reset your schedules and scenes or reconnect everything when it comes back online. Number 6. Get more, spend less. One Casita Smart Switch can control many bulbs at once. Make many bulbs smart, even your existing bulbs. Get smart control of multiple styles of dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. Number 7. Works in any home. Unlike other smart dimmer switches, Casita works in any home, of any age, as it does not require a neutral wire. Number 8. Easy 3-way setup. Create a 3-way by mounting Pico to almost any wall surface. No cutting holes or pulling wire, with a wall mount bracket, Pico WBX Adapt sold separately. Replace existing 3-way switches by mounting the bracket and Pico over the back box. Number 9. Technical details. Works with up to 150-watt dimmable LED light bulbs, CFL light bulbs or 600-watt incandescent bulbs, halogen bulbs. Not rated for low-voltage applications. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can this kit be purchased in light almond? Answer. Kit is not available in light almond. Question number 2. Can these work with LED rope lights? Answer. Check with the manufacturer of the LED rope lights. There are too many brands out there to know for sure. Question number 3. Is this the Smart Bridge Pro or does it also work with Logitech Harmony Home Hub? Answer. It is the standard Smart Bridge, not the Pro. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.